Good morning, friends. Today we're going to talk about point, line, plane, and solid. Line is one of my favorite words. It has a silent E in it. It makes the I say its name. Line. When we talk about solids, which is where I'm going to start, a solid, like the sharing apple of our classroom, is a shape that takes up space. I can hold the sharing apple in my hand. This is a solid. Next, I have a drawing of the sharing apple. This drawing is on a plane of paper, one sheet of paper. I cannot pick up this sharing apple. I can't hold it. It's just a drawing. It is on a plane. It has no dimension that I can pick up. So we've had our solid, which is the sharing apple, our plane, which is the drawing of our sharing apple. What about our line? If I take our drawing of the sharing apple and I took one piece out of it, I'd have one part of it, one line. And a point is anywhere on this drawing that I can put a dot. You can see it with my red marker. Points, points, points. It may be easier for us to see point, line, plane, and solid if we look to a work we've already done. Let's look at our golden bead presentation tray. We remember this from class. A point is like one single golden bead. Just one point. And since it's a circle, it's going to roll around. And if we have enough points all together, point, 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 we get a line. A line is very much like our 10 bar in the golden beads. Our 10 bar is really like having a whole bunch of points put together. Point, 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 point. And when they're all together, they make a line. Now, if I put enough lines close together, I get our 100 square. It's a flat surface, a plane. If I put enough lines together, they make a plane. And if I stacked all of my planes up on top of each other, I'd get my solid, which is very much like our thousands cube. So to look again, our point is very much like one golden bead. And a point can be made with a very sharp tip of a pen or a pencil. Point. If I put those points together, I'd have a line. All these points together make a line. And if I put all of my lines next to each other, I'd get a plane. Plane. And if I stacked all of my planes together on top of each other, I'd get a solid. Point, line, plane, and solid. Point, line, plane, and solid. And one more time to review. A point is like our single golden bead, or it's like making a dot on paper. Point. If I put enough points together, I get a line. And a line is very much like our 10 bar in golden beads. And if I put lines together right next to each other, I get a plane, which is like our 100 square. And if I stacked planes on top of each other, I'd get a solid like our 1,000 cube. Point, line, plane, and solid. Have a great day, friends. Join me again soon for another math presentation. Bye for now.